In this equation, we're to solve for k. The question wants us to find the value of k. Our question says we have 6x plus k all over 2x squared plus 7x minus 15 equals 4 over x plus 5 minus 2 over 2x minus 3. Now, first and foremost, I want to check and see that 2x squared plus 7x minus 15 was actually resolved into x plus 5 and 2x minus 3. So what I'll do is just x plus 5 into 2x minus 3. That will be the same thing as x into 2x minus 3 plus 5 into 2x minus 3. That will be the same thing as x into 2x, that's 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 into 2x, that's 10x minus 3 times 5, that's 15, minus 15. So this that's 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. Okay, that means it's properly resolved. So my 6x obviously plus k over 2x squared plus 7x minus 15 will be the same thing as x plus 5 into 2x minus 3. Now 2x, that's x plus 5 now into 2x minus 3, I'll be left to 2x, x plus 5 now into x plus 5 into 2x minus 3, I'll be left to 2x minus 3. That's 4 into 2x minus 3 minus 2 now into x plus 5. Obviously, my denominators are equal, so I can now equate my numerator. Now, when I'm equating my numerator, it becomes 6x plus k is the same thing as 4 into 2x, that's 8x minus 12, and minus 2x, minus 2 times x, that's minus 2x, and minus 2 again times 5, that's minus 10. So this is the same thing as 8x minus 2x, that's 6x, and minus 12 minus 10, that's minus 22. Now when you look at both equations, you see 6x plus k is the same thing as 6x minus 22. So obviously my k is the same thing as minus 22. Minus 22. With this, I hope you understand how I solved this simple expression. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.